In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your ChatGPT o3 Mini API key step by step, quickly and safely. If you're building an app, testing an automation, or just want to connect OpenAI with another tool, this is the exact process you need to follow. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your OpenAI organization settings page. The page you need is the OpenAI API settings area, where your organization and project tools are managed. Once you're there, look for the section related to API keys. This is where OpenAI lets you create and manage secret keys for your projects. Now click on API keys. This will take you to the part of the dashboard where you can generate a new key. If you already have older keys listed, you may see them here as well. But for this tutorial, we're creating a new one for o3 Mini. Next, click on Create New Secret Key. This is the button that starts the key generation process. A small setup window or form will usually appear, and this is where you'll prepare the key before it is created. At this stage, give your key a clear name. For example, you can name it something like o3 Mini API key, YouTube tutorial key, or anything that helps you remember what it's for. Naming your key properly is important, especially if you plan to create multiple keys later for different apps, projects, or environments. After that, click Create Secret Key to generate it. OpenAI will now make your new API key. This is the most important part of the process, so make sure you're ready to copy it right away. Secret keys are only shown once, so if you miss it, you may need to create a new one. Once the key appears, click Copy. That's it. Your ChatGPT o3 Mini API key is now copied to your clipboard and ready to paste into your app, integration, or coding project. I always recommend storing it somewhere secure, because API keys should never be shared publicly or placed in unsafe locations. And that's the full process. You've now created and copied your ChatGPT o3 Mini API key from OpenAI. If this video saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe, because I post more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.